Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best chair mats for smooth rolling, that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Vitrazza glass office chair mat. I've had the 48 inches by 48 inches Vitrazza glass chair mat since 2018. During that time, I've used it on hardwood floors and in carpeted areas. I frequently roll my office chair on and off of it, and I've dropped my iPhone and several other items on the glass chair mat. And yet, there's not a single scratch on it. Full disclosure. To save floor space, half of the mat is under my desk, and half is available to roll the chair around on. When I'm not paying attention, I sometimes roll off the mat. I would imagine that this practice could eventually affect the mat's lifespan, especially since I have heavy 50 to 60 pound chairs with chrome parts, like the Humanscale Freedom and the Mavix M9. But I have yet to see or experience any degradation in quality. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Cortech glass chair mat. I've had the Cortech glass mat since 2021, and it's been on both hard floors and carpet. While I haven't dropped my iPhone on it, I've accidentally dropped a few other items. It doesn't have any cracks or show any signs of wearing out or losing its lustrous appearance. It's been moved around quite a bit as I'm testing office desks and chairs. But regardless of the floor type, chairs move smoothly and easily on the mat. On hardwoods, it is particularly easy to glide from one side of the desk to the other and beyond. The Cortech glass mat is made of tempered glass and can support up to 1,000 pounds. This is particularly important since the glass mat is in what is essentially my storage room for a couple of months until I finish testing a few large items. At number 3, we have the MuArts Chair Mat. The MuArts Chair Mat is made from a special material that the company does not disclose, and normally, that would be enough for us to omit the item from this list. However, at the time of publication, over 20,000 Amazon consumers gave it an average 4.55 rating, so we'll make an exception. We can tell you that the mat is made of a hard material, maybe plexiglass, and it ships in a flat package instead of a tube. The mat can also be used on both hard floors and carpet. It doesn't curl or roll up like plastic is prone to do. At number 2, we have the Dimex office chair mat. This plastic chair mat has cleats, or spikes, underneath, and the cleats help the mat grip the carpet to keep the mat from sliding around. This is important because one of the major complaints regarding plastic chair mats is that they won't stay in place. The Dimex chair mat is designed for low-pile carpet, not thick carpet, and not hard floors. So, how do you know if your carpet is low-pile or not? The same way you check to see if your tires need replacing, besides looking at them. Insert a dime into the carpet. A low-pile carpet will only cover up to 1/4 of the dime. However, a low-medium pile carpet will cover up to 3/8 of the dime. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kuyal clear chair mat. If you want a good, basic chair mat that won't break the bank, the Kuyal chair mat can provide enough support to ensure your chair doesn't damage the floor. It's made of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, but does not produce irritating odors. That's because it doesn't contain harmful chemicals like phthalate, cadmium, tin, lead, and other toxins. The mat has an anti-slide coating to keep it from moving around. However, it's easy to glide the chair, even gaming chairs, around on the mat without any jerkiness. The chair mat is also designed to resist cracks, scratches, and discoloration, with normal usage. It's available in 3 colors: clear, black, and gray.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.